Figma's post-IPO rally losing some steam today with the design software company stock dropping 27%, shedding nearly $17 billion in market value just today. But the stock did close just above where it opened on Thursday and is up a whopping 170% from its $33 IPO price. Now, Grasso, I know you said that you had been interested in getting in.
I didn't get in yet. I didn't get in yet. I do believe they retrace. All of these IPOs usually retrace to the first day's print of wherever it did open up. So I was waiting for that. We got there. But for me, I just want to see how the market digests, because this is indicative of the froth or the really out on that curve of people willing to find something that's not a Mag 7 name and try to look for that growth curve. Figma seems like they have it, and there's no customer concentration that I can see. I'm just going to wait and let it sit for a little bit until I start to dabble.
So if it gets to that opening price and trades through that, then you have a lot of supply. No touch, right?
No touch, because then it opens up to the IPO price of $33. Then people start gauging it on that wide berth of $50 that you have from 85 to back down to 33.
But if this is a risk-on sort of barometer, then why was it not up on a day when risk-on was on?
Why they priced it at $33, which I'm sure you talked about last. I mean, people say it was a successful IPO. I look at it priced at 33, opens at 85, proceeds to trade up to wherever it was. Now you're down today. The business is great. I think they have north of 90% margins, like a 45% growth rate. There's nothing not to like in numbers. It's just the way it was priced. You're going to have crazy volatility for the next couple months, probably.
And I don't think today's pullback, I don't think you're that confused by it either. I mean, it is ironic, right? But I think it does tell you the environment we're in. And part of the reason they're getting this valuation, in addition to where they play, is their customer base is Netflix, Oracle, Microsoft, Google, Uber. So, I mean, it's an impressive group of some of the biggest companies in the world. And that's reason enough to feel good.